The French Ministry of Armed Forces has announced the acquisition of 8 additional VL Mica air defense missile launcher vehicles. This decision, made in December 2024, is part of France's ongoing efforts to modernize and enhance its defense capabilities. The move is designed to ensure that the French military remains prepared for a variety of evolving threats in an increasingly unpredictable global security environment. The acquisition, placed with MBDA France, will significantly strengthen France's air defense systems, especially as tensions rise across Europe. The VL Mica, developed by MBDA, is a state-of-the-art air defense solution designed to counter a broad range of aerial threats, including missiles, aircraft, and drones. Its dual-mode guidance system, which utilizes both infrared and radar homing, allows the system to engage targets at different speeds, altitudes, and ranges. Mounted on a highly mobile wheeled chassis, the VL Mica can be rapidly deployed and maneuvered, making it highly effective in dynamic and complex environments. The French Air and Space Forces already deployed VL Mica systems during the Paris 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games, successfully securing the skies above the event. The system played a vital role in ensuring the protection of both military and civilian assets. This highlighted the VL Mica's capabilities in large-scale defense operations. With the addition of 8 more units, France is continuing to enhance its air defense infrastructure, bolstering its ability to protect strategic locations and critical infrastructure. The VL Mica system boasts impressive performance, with an interception range of up to 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles, and an operational altitude of up to 30,000 feet. These features make it capable of engaging a wide variety of airborne threats, from high-speed missiles to slower, low-flying UAVs. Its flexibility in intercepting a range of targets makes it a key asset in modern air defense. This acquisition is also a response to the growing number of aerial threats, including drones, hypersonic missiles, and advanced missile systems. As traditional air defense systems become less effective against these new types of weapons, France has turned to more agile and adaptable solutions like the VL Mica. The system's ability to respond to threats in real time ensures that France's defense remains robust and capable of protecting its sovereignty and key assets. In addition to its technological capabilities, the VL Mica also strengthens France's defense strategy by ensuring interoperability with NATO and other European allies. The system is designed to integrate seamlessly into multinational defense frameworks, allowing France to respond quickly and effectively to regional threats. As tensions continue to rise in Europe, particularly with the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, air defense has become a top priority for many nations. France's decision to increase its stock of VL Mica missile launchers enhances its defense posture while also contributing to the collective security of NATO. With these new acquisitions, France continues to adapt to emerging threats and safeguard its strategic interests. In conclusion, France's acquisition of 8 additional VL Mica air defense systems marks a significant step in the modernization of its military capabilities. With its advanced missile guidance, rapid deployment capabilities, and flexibility in responding to a wide range of aerial threats, the VL Mica is an indispensable tool in securing France's national defense and contributing to the overall security of Europe.